This is Michigan Moments, rediscovering the pioneering moments of the Great Lakes State. In the first decades of the 20th century, Sturgis, Michigan, thrived as a small but ambitious city, fueled by innovation, civic pride, and steady industrial growth. Chicago Street served as the city's heart. Block after block, commercial brick storefronts stretched in each direction. Horse-drawn wagons rolled down dirt roads past Louette's and Gillum's Grocery, Runyon's Dry Goods, and Toby's Drugstore. You could buy a new pair of shoes, a sack of flour, or a fresh cigar all on the same block. The image of the bustling Chicago street with carriages and wide brick storefronts captures this energy. Behind these storefronts were the working engines of the city. Bakeries like F.L. Sawyer's, churning out pies and cookies. Businesses like Union Delivery Service, which kept goods moving before the age of trucks. Factories such as the Royal Chair Company and Grobnicer and Crosby Furniture Co. loomed above the outskirts. A postcard shows the long brick buildings with tall smokestacks and boxcars lined up nearby. Sturgis became known for its electric power early. In 1911, the city completed a hydroelectric dam on the St. Joseph River at Leland's. It was the first municipal dam in Michigan built entirely with local funds. It powered homes, lit streets, and ran machinery across the town. That same year, the city threw a celebration. People packed the streets. Vice President James Sherman came by car. And overhead, aviators took flight. A rare image captures the streets decorated and crowds gathered under flags and banners. Just blocks from the downtown bustle stood the Carnegie Library, opened in 1909. Made possible by a grant from Andrew Carnegie, it was built in classic brick with broad steps and white columns. A postcard from that era shows boys posed out front with bicycles and Sunday best. Education mattered here, and so did community. Local fairs turned Chicago Street into a marketplace and midway. Tents sprang up between storefronts. Families gathered. And for a moment, everyday life paused to enjoy the hum of small-town celebration. These scenes appear showing fair tents stretching down the street. Life in Sturgis before the Great Depression was neither flashy nor fast, but it was full. Factories hummed, streets bustled. The people of Sturgis, from shop clerks to mayors, kept building the kind of city they believed would last. This has been Michigan Moments, offering bite-sized morsels of Michigan history.